Hi, I'm Michelle Kelly, and I'm co-founder of K+L Storytellers and the founder of Your Extraordinary Story, a series of workshops for people. And I'm here today at the Aurora Regional Fire Museum, and I hope that you will support our program called Using Place to Tell Your Extraordinary Story. Your Extraordinary Story Workshops teaches youth to adults to write a short story in a 2-day session. In teams of 3 to 4 people each. Now, people sharing stories is at the heart of On the Table. In fact, we were here experiencing On the Table, and we watched people's eyes light up as they shared their story about living in Aurora and their vision for our city. This inspired us to want to bring short story writing workshops to the people and use the museum as our place of inspiration. Why is writing a short story so important? There are 5 reasons. Number 1, creative confidence. You know, Adobe did a study, only 25% feel creatively confident. That's not good enough. We should all own our creativity. Number 2, critical problem solving skills through writing. Number 3, collaboration. This is true collaboration at its best, just like On the Table. Writing skills, number 4 and 5, it's fun. It's fun to write with people. We all bring our own experiences to the table and we write them out in our characters and our plots. Now, with your support, we will be the first museum to bring short story writing to our space. And we will do this in 8 workshops, 2 for middle schoolers, 2 for teens, 2 for adults, and 2 for seniors. Can you imagine the stories they have bottled up inside of them? We'd like to start in July 2018. We hope we have your support. Thank you so much.